we're gonna be showing you.
Get the trash out of the shot. Get over here.
Well, who cares?
I do.
Trash. We're gonna show you a video about smashing the soda.
What?
I opened the cap just a tiny bit.
Why are you gonna smash it?
Like that. You can see back there, and it will make a tiny explosion.
Dude, why are you smashing this?
I don't know. So you have to slam it really hard.
Our first unit is going to be about explosions. So like baking soda vinegar, maybe elephant toothpaste. Yes. Oh my god. Yeah, so much for a little explosion.
That was awesome.
Holy cow! Alright, Lawrence, close us out. No, don't. Don't! Oh my god.
Hey, the garbage truck.
Oh, that's nice. Lawrence, close us out.
Bye. See you next time with a video tomorrow or today. We don't know because we're very bored.